Hello explorers, today we are going to see the unboxing of our new Lenovo IdeaPad laptop which I bought for my kid. Don't skip the video, watch it fully, you will have all useful information which may benefit for your kids. When I tried to swap the use of mobile phones by my kid to a bigger extent, I thought he can use a laptop where he can play games and also that will help for his studies. So in order to reduce his mobile time, I would prefer a laptop. So I explored and finally found out Lenovo IdeaPad is the best choice and also budget friendly for the kid.